All right, so we just received the Reikya HV-C11 Handheld Vacuum Cordless. All right, let's unbox this bad boy. Let's see what we got. Gravity's doing her thing. We're almost there. Oh, wow, look at this. All right, so I'll put this to the side. And I do believe this is it here, man. Check it out. So we gotta unzip it. Comes in a nice case, right? If I can get the zipper. Look. Jesus, Pete. There it is. There she be. Look at her. All right, so it does come with a couple of accoutrements. This is, I do believe, this pops forward. I might have to press something to do that. Oh, there we go. All right, so that pops forward, right? And it pops back, so you got, so you can save it. So this is going to go on the top of it. Let's set that right there. All right, now we've got this, and I think this is the, looks like something, but somebody tried to eat through this. I think this is the spot, the thing that catches the dirt. And it's got a whole bunch of different, like, things on it. So let's go ahead and, let's check it out. All right, so this is the filter, right? Let's go ahead and get this off of it. They want it to look really nice, so they put this protective stuff on. Put that over there. All right, so that's the filter, right? And this is the area where the stuff comes in. All right, so they've got a bunch of these doohickeys here. So you've got this little small one. You've got one that's, longer. This one here is, look, this has got a bigger hole, and this one's got a gigantous hole, right? So I guess you can put all these on there. Let's set those there for now. Whoops. All right, let's set those there for now. All right, this is another filter, which I think goes inside here. So I'm wondering if this comes out of here somehow. It's got these two little like doohickeys there that looks like you would twist it out. Or maybe twist it in, I'm not sure. All right, oh, so here you got this over here, so you gotta pull this stuff off. You see this? You gotta get that off of there. All right, so now we've unleashed it. It does have a USB-C, so we might have to charge it. I think it might have a charge on it already. Looks pretty sleek. What do you think? You guys like it? Check it out. All right, so here you got another one of these. So we have to take that off of there. Oh my gosh. They packaged this thing, didn't they? All right, so now there's the name, right? Check it out. Give you a full view of it. All sides. All right, so I'm thinking that this is the side that sucks the stuff in. Or maybe it's this side. I'm not quite sure. Oh, look, there's another thing we got to take off. See it right there? Get this off. There we go. Got it. All right, so now, here it is. This thing here, you notice a light went on when I hit that, right? Let's see if it's got different color lights. No. So when you just press it once, you get this light. This has got like a little thing in it. This has got a little thing in it. So if I put this on here, like that, so you just got to find the spot where it goes in. Got to like kind of twist it a little bit, and now that's on there, right? It's kind of, I don't know if that's the right way, but, and then this would go in there like that. Okay, so now I've got it, check it out, I've got it all set up, and if I press this and hold it, the air's coming out this end, and it's sucking from this end. And look, we got 51% on it. All right, so now if I press this and hold it again, it turns off. So one press, you get the light, right? Press and hold, you get suction. And it's on one. So I can turn it up. Apparently, if you go too high, it turns off. Oh, look. I don't have any more power. So we're going to have to charge it. But anyway, so that's it. To get this off, I twist it. It pops off, right? And then I pull this off here. And then the dirt, to get the dirt out of here, we've got to figure that out, right? I'm thinking that this comes out like that. And then you just go like that with the dirt. And then to put it back in, you just smush it back in like that. All right? So to get it out, you reach your finger in, pull, and it pops out. And you got 2 of these. Let's put it back on. There we go. And so you can do that. Now, it also has these things where you could just blow stuff by putting it on this end, right here. You follow me? And then this would blow out here. See if I can get it off here. They've got these little twisters on it right here that you're supposed to fit on there. So when I slip this in here, you got to kind of turn it and then lock it. Then twist it and then pop it. So you've got an array of these, depending on what you want to blow up. You might be blowing up a beach ball or something. I don't know. But it will do that, right? And this one here, look at this one. This one you set inside of something. Same thing, right? Bam, bam. All right, so that's how that works. And now we just got to go clean something up. But before we do that, we got to charge it. So I'm going to stick a USB-C in there and charge this bad boy up. Now I think if I look around here, they might have a USB-C in here next to, yeah, here it is. And here's the directions. If you don't know how to do it, you should read the directions. Here's the USB-C. Let's take a look at it. All right, there it is. It's USB-A to USB-C. You follow me? So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and charge her up. How's that sound? All right, so I just got to find a USB-C that's plugged in. I have it right here. And it's plugged into this block, which is hooked to 110. So then I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to shove her in. And it should tell us that it's being charged somewhere. Oh, there it is. So you can see, look, it's going, it's got 0%. So we'll just leave that here. And then we'll come back in a couple hours and we'll see how it's charged. And then if it looks good, then we'll go and we'll vacuum some stuff up. How's that sound? All right.